That's a make to me.
There you go.
That's a make to me.
You never break nothing now.
No, and it pedal. Was cleaner. Was cleaner though.
Way cleaner.
Plug your tire like you did the last.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta go fast.
The first one was on loud.
I know. Like I'd land like on the top, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that was a pursuit. That was a
This one, what? I kind of backside him, yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna pull out the first one.
Cause you know, I seen everybody hitting them and it was going deep, so I figured I'm gonna brake check.
No, the guy who hit him right before you.
Yeah.
He'd land like about 2/3 of the way down, right?
Oh.
That landing.
They stay on small bikes, though.
111mm chop.
Yeah. And he did the big one too.
No, he'd land so deep. He'd bail out right there.
Yeah, it's not too bad. You just gotta know the speed. Now I know. So. Yeah. And then this one you need speed.
Yeah, no brakes.
Yeah.
For us it's alright, but I think you might put a pedal stroke.
Yeah, I could go a little bit. I gave maybe like 2 pedals, but I think I can go a little bit more. Cause that's the thing. You go deep on the third, and you need speed for this one. So.
That second one, the first one, if you get them perfect,
Yeah.
you've got way too much speed. That first one, you could pretty much do like 3 pedals and roll the whole way.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you still got to brake. You still got to brake for the second one. Squash the second one.